tell Papa where Nakaso one active weather way. I want anything because I can tell the women, I want all your matter. Okay. We know how Japan, Japan, and Tamata social media. Oh, go on, only affair because you know, Monica, so no Japan,
and welcome back to my YouTube channel, my darling people. And this guy wake me for Salt and Water Ministry. I not just understand our Nigeria people, our presenters. Like what did they play for now? What did they happen? If somebody can't call for live video, he can't start to the cough. He can't be me. That one you reach for everybody to just the carry and they insult the guy. Me I no understand. Something just happen to person. Una just carry the thing begin dey mona still take am easy now. Mona take am easy. Wetin the guy do? Okay, because he call for live video. Na him start am. Na him start to dey call. No be him start am, my darling people. Make we still dey take things easy now. This one wey all presenters just dey come out. This one go insult the guy. This one go insult the guy. This one go insult the guy. Say na it good for am. How una go dey happy say person kpeme? Who does that? Una go dey happy, dey dance, say person, your own fellow human being say kpeme, you begin dey dance, dey happy, dey rub powder because maybe e dey talk your matter. Fine, say wetin the guy dey talk for live video say e head no reach am. Yeah, e head no reach am. You're not supposed to dey talk that kind of thing, but e never reach wey be say una go come just begin dey insult the guy. Some dey happy, some dey say that it good for am. Emi no go allow me, you know. I no blame una more. Really, this thing, I really blame Omiyore. I no lie. Sorry to use that word. I really blame her because why I blame her be say she for not play that audio. If I don't play that talk, say now the last talk when the talk be this one before it meme. You don't know, say as Monica see that he must carry am go dey happy. He go just dey happy because na matter that they talk. So she go dey happy. So me not just like say that when I see say Omiyore play that thing. Because now Omiyore come make us even know say the guy say na the boy, na the choir master na be that one. Nobody be know before. You understand? So now wetin Monica come dey talk say na him mama even make us even know. We not even know say na him. You understand? So all of them now they come dey mock the boy now. They do video every day now. Hope you not even get topic now. Don't see topic now. They talk. All of them just they happy. I can't dey see some presenters go say una see una way they call. I see the other one way saying and wish for social media. That one say na it good for una callers. Una go dey call for live video. Una go dey call. I don't know say nothing go happen to the presenter. It go happen to the people where they call. You know good. Una go dey call people where they do the present. Una don't know wetin they hold their self. Una way be caller. I was like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Okay, my people, you bring topic come. I get interest to call. I want call. So okay, wetin una dey make us dey understand now be say make we not dey call again for live video. Now na me now. Make we not dey call again. Okay, if we not call, how I want to get the contribution? Because even you wey do the video, Kate, me see say people they call for your own live video. They call, they contribute. So you want to tell us now, say we don't feel call for live video now contribute. Now wetin una want make us understand? Because me I no understand. This guy call and they talk your own. If I don't read, they bring una shame comments. What will come make people they want to contribute to start with? If you they read, they do your own things for social media. I believe say you not go they get problem. Una not say Yobosa, Mrs. Yobosa. She they do her lifestyle. She na fashionista. She na this. She na that. Now so you buy clothes. Now so you buy human hair. People they wash her 1,000. Nobody they call, they contribute for her this thing because what she they do not even warrant to the call. You will only go there if you like what she they do. If you even see they do the same thing for your own house, You understand? But if you can't bring up people, we say he warrant to call you. I mean, my people, when I go see contribute, if you contribute, it not mean say the guy don't feel sick before. According to Momiyore, he said the guy felt get kidney problem. So I don't see anything say he call, he can't because they talk now. Una call your cousin wey can't pay me. Una dey swear, una swear. Una know say if something don't happen, this one will come talk in you. I don't do one. I don't swear put. You see now, Mona dey careful for my body. Mona dey careful. She be one adopt me now, my dear. Not be you cousin. Not be you cousin me. Now it's time now you reach. Not be you cousin. You not cost anything. Now it's time now you reach. Now it go so. So but now they carry that credit they put for our body again. Something just happen on social media just carry like say na they really made the guy. Now this one say na him do one, this one say na him do one. I beg. They not they happy if person meme. Nobody they happy. More than not they happy again say person do meme. E not good at all. E not good for ear. E not just good at all. So I see the video. I not just they happy. I'm not dey happy. The one I just stay happy. The one I say it's not good now. You understand me, my darling people. So, and I say, make I come see talk put again. Not be the guy fault. You don't feel the sick for inside body before. So I go able to put now I see the video now. I go put the video where it say they call Umenwa because people don't go cause that part come out now. So I go put the video more and see him. Not be the guy fault. I know say wetin he talk here. I don't really reach him, but not be the one when I will take the happy stay person meme. Nobody will not go meme one day. Everybody go one day. Now so now waiting we pay. We already pay am. You understand? So everybody must go. And so it be. So my darling people, if I talk and where mona still live on comment to mona when you wa now the way I see reason I'm the way they pay me because people just they happy say the guy don't pay me. Then they dance. So they dance they happy. Why some see the verse say why they go they happy, you understand? So me I not like am. Nobody they happy say person me. Now go know this choir master and a very big supporter of Momiyore. They always they call, they contribute, So they always hear that choir master for Momiyore match well. The man say I don't know. And when they come, you don't remember they come bring a picture come and I can't say no, say nah. Someone will not they laugh, will not die again. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Thank you. Bye.
Social media you can know anybody, but a man can always working our wall of Muladia. Because I'm an attemata. Do you want to move? By my tomu, Ogo, Biugi, Emata, Piemata, Ogi Manata, Ajabo, Emata, I don't know. We are the Yafe, the Bodwalaja social media. No, I want to our mind where or money where Oyeru Walano, I don't know my Oyeru Walana, not when I tie. Eru wala ma tare a platform efe anywhere or money cover couple yen no. Then I just see what then I to a bit legal no ni go down wa am where you can mostly every corner menwa every corner tell us I done here because akona who ba why we baba not a matter not to but a matter almost an attack one platform we not where even in Roger na me with any ayo because even it's a matter no.
Exactly.
Start chavo.
So, put it by one man. If I told one, put it by one man. Part of the one. Very sorry. A man to one of them, or suddenly you want to one. I'll say now to understand me making how yeah in have it for the maybe yeah top understand. So my people, I go sort of know why you watch what I'm saying well. How my fans. The matter is to show person. You understand? So my people, as I was saying and talking, the matter here. You understand? Already. Already. Already big man on the was only island. You understand? It's already big money island for now. But already Jebo, because yes, one matter now. Ajebo yam one matter. Hello. What? Yeah.